Welcome to this video. This video is about evolution of banana. Banana is the world's largest crop after wheat, rice and corn. Banana is believed to be the world's first cultivated fruit. On an average, humans consume 100 billion bananas every year. The name banana originates from the Arabic word banan, which means finger. Banana belongs to the family Musaceae. Its scientific name is Musa species. Banana evolved in the humid tropical region of Southeast Asia, with India as one of its center of origin. From Southeast Asia, the fruit was brought west by Arab conquerors in 327 BC and moved from Asia Minor to Africa and finally carried to the New World by explorers. Africa is the secondary center of diversification for two large groups of banana, namely plantains and the East African highland bananas. A banana is an elongated edible fruit botanically called a berry. The fruit is variable in size, color, and firmness, but is elongated and curved with soft flesh rich in starch, covered with a rind. The rind may be green, yellow, red, purple, or even brown when the fruit ripe. The fruit grow in clusters hanging from the top of the plant. Evolution of banana. The earliest archaeological evidence reveals that the first banana may have been cultivated at least 7,000 years ago in New Guinea. Those wild bananas were stocky and hard with large tough seeds throughout the fruit's interior, hence considered inedible. The ancestor of a group of banana domesticated independently in Pacific region, the Fay bananas, has not been identified. Scientists believe that domestication for edibility most likely started with farmers by transplanting the offshoots of plants that were edible by virtue of having less seeds and more pulp. But the seeds remained fertile. Almost all modern edible seedless bananas comes from two wild species, namely Musa acuminata and Musa balbisiana, and their natural hybrids, originally found in the rainforest of Southeast Asia. When Musa acuminata and Musa balbisiana were crossbred, depending on their genomic constitution, different strains were obtained that contains fewer seeds. Musa paradisiaca is one among the hybrid of Musa acuminata and Musa balbisiana. The old scientific name of this hybrid is Musa sapientum, which means fruit of the wise men. Musa acuminata. The genetic signature of Musa acuminata is found in the vast majority of cultivars known today. It is also the first genome to be sequenced in the genus Musa. Musa acuminata is an evergreen perennial but not a tree. The wild acuminata is diploid with 2n equals 22 chromosome. The pseudostem is made up of tightly packed layers of leaf sheath emerging from completely or partially buried corms. The inflorescence grows horizontally from the trunk. The individual flowers are white to yellowish white in color and are negatively geotrophic, that is, growing upwards away from the ground. The rather slender fruits or berries and the size of each berry depends on the number of seeds they contain. Each fruit can have 15 to 62 seeds. Each fruit bunch has an average of 161 fingers. The seeds of wild acuminata are around 5 to 6 millimeter in diameter. They are angular in shape and are very hard. A tiny embryo is located at the end of micropyle. Musa balbisiana. Musa balbisiana is a wild type species of banana which is native to eastern South Asia, northern Southeast Asia, and southern China. The plant exhibits leaves in clumps with a more upright habit than most cultivated bananas. The individual flowers are red to maroon in color. The fruits are between blue and green. They are considered inedible because of the seeds they contain. It may be considered that wild bananas were cooked and eaten as vegetables by our ancestors. These diploid bananas went on to produce triploid plants when one of the diploid parent normally pass on one copy of its genome while the other contributed both copies. This process of meiotic restitution produced three main genome groups of banana, namely AAA, AAB, and ABB. Red banana, granine banana, and robusta belongs to AAA genome. Rastali, Nendran, Virupakshi, and Sirumalai belongs to AAB genome. Karpuravalli and Mondan belongs to ABB genome. The cultivated varieties are mostly triploid and parthenocarpic, producing fruits without seeds. The ratio of pulp to seeds increases dramatically in seedless edible cultivars. The small and largely sterile seeds are now surrounded by 23 times of edible pulp. Among all varieties, Gros Michael, often known as Big Mike, having AAA genome, ruled the world. Unfortunately, Panama disease caused by the pathogen Fusarium oxysporum started to wipe out banana plantation in 1890. Nearly 30,000 acres of banana were wiped off, causing a variety to go almost completely extinct. By the time an important cultivar belonged to the triploid AAA group of Musa acuminata, which is commonly referred as Cavendish banana, has evolved. This Cavendish group of bananas was resistant to the serious Panama disease. The bananas usually don't produce seeds and were softer and creamier. Granine banana is one of the most commonly cultivated banana, which is a member of Cavendish banana cultivar. Granine is a tissue culture friendly banana, hence propagation becomes easier. Finally, the journey of bananas with hard and tough seeds ended up in most sweeter, softer, and creamier Cavendish banana, which are the main commercial banana cultivars sold in the world market today. Thank you.